matters your husband is supporting you or not. And my husband, he was always there and he always stands by me. Always think about yourself, whether you are able to speak this language or not, that you are the best. Every human being has so many qualities. It's something or the other, but you have to focus on what is your passion. Since my childhood, I just wanted to be famous, and my dream has come true. Yeah, there's no doubt.
राइट मैं भी सोचे चलो ठीक है मान लो घर से बाहर जाना नहीं वैसे भी मान लो घर में काम करना है घर से बाहर जाए
Story of a woman who could not complete her education and then she used technology to teach herself English and she now runs a YouTube channel teaching other people English. She's from a village in Uttar Pradesh and her channel is called Dehati Madam. Opening the doors for dreams everywhere, can we please welcome Yashoda ji on stage? Yashoda ji's channel is called Dehati Madam because she's from a village. Village ka Hindi is Dehat, so Dehati, and Madam because she's now a madam teaching people. Hai na?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now I am confused. Should I talk to you in English or Hindi?
Anyone.
Okay, okay. You could not complete your education.
Yeah. No. I'm only 12th. I have done only my schooling.
Okay. Why couldn't you study beyond class 12?
Because circumstances were not according to as I wanted to study further. Because my father, means after completing my 12th, he got retired.
And he didn't have money to?
Yes. And then within 1 year, he also got, he was passed away. So that's why I had to started working to run my family. That's why.
And what were you doing after class 12 when you were working? Kya kaam kar rahe the?
I was working as a sales girl.
Where?
In a small shop.
Okay. So girls, especially, education is everything. You heard Captain Preeti Kaul say, knowledge is power. Here's Yashoda ji, who could not study beyond class 12. Okay, then what happened? Phir aapki shaadi ho gayi?
Yeah, but I would say I have done a love marriage and I'm feeling proud because of my dad decision today I'm here.
Well done. How difficult was it for you to do a love marriage in your village? Kahan se hain aap?
I'm from very small village in Kaushambi district, UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so you're saying you're very proud of the fact that you've done a love marriage. You know, Sakshi stand because we can still see you. Sakshi was on our stage earlier and she was saying one of the important things for women is to find the right guy. Or agar theek ladka nahi mila, to koi mat dhondo. Sakshi, sorry, I didn't mean to make you stand, but it was just, I remembered you. Thank you. Yes.
Yes.
So ye theek ladka mila aapko?
Yes. Because he supported me. You know, in life, it doesn't matter whether you have done a love marriage or arranged marriage. But the fact which matters, your husband is supporting you or not. And my husband, he was always there and he always stands by me.
Can I just get Sakshi a mic for a moment? Can I get Sakshi a mic? And I'm also seeing two of our very braveheart soldiers from the Indian Army here. Man, Colonel and Major, can you stand up for a second? You'll be hearing from them later in the stage. They're going to be very special guests coming up later in the stage. Just wanted to introduce you. Please take your seat. Sakshi, she's saying, love ho ya arranged ho, doesn't matter. Find a supportive husband. But why do women only have to find supportive husbands? We don't tell husbands to find supportive wives.
You should know. It should happen. I feel at this point of time, it does happen.
Does it?
Yeah. And I think the key to, and a lot of people would agree, the key to happy marriage, happy relationship is the boy has to love you a little bit more than you love them. A little tiny bit. That's the key to the best happiness.
Do you agree? Thanks, Sakshi. वो कह रही है कि आदमी, man has to love little more than woman.
Love her.
Love her. Acha, now, how did you, who could not study beyond class 12, start first teaching yourself English and then teaching other people English?
Actually, the time when I started my YouTube channel, at the same time, I was on my learning journey. I just started and it's now about to complete 2 years. And means it was my learning as well as teaching journey. I was not teaching others, but at least I gave something to others that was inspiration, that motivation, and that courage, that guts. If a villager can do, then why can't we? And because of, I don't want to credit myself, but I would say I have connected with so many ladies, so many housewives, so many homemakers, and they have also gave this credit to me, ma'am. Because of you, I'm here. I have also started.
So how many subscribers does your YouTube channel have now?
Currently, I have just completed 3,70,000 subscribers.
If you had completed, you know, we had Prachi here. Where's Prachi? Prachi, there you. Prachi. Because they're both from UP with very different stories. Now, Prachi is a school topper. She couldn't even study beyond class 12. And she taught herself English. Anything you want to say to her?
इनको चैनल अपना स्टार्ट करना चाहिए
और इन्होंने कर लिया?
हाँ, कर लिया है। मैंने इनको कई बार यूट्यूब पर देखा हुआ है।
आपने देखा इनको?
या
इनके बारे में क्या फीलिंग है आपका?
कि ये जो कर रही हैं विलेज से होकर के इन्होंने इंग्लिश को स्टार्ट किया और इंग्लिश बोलना हम लोगों को लगता है कि इंग्लिश इज़ अ वेरी मतलब कि जो लैंग्वेज है इसको बोलना आना चाहिए। तो मैम को मैंने कई बार यूट्यूब पर देखा हुआ है कि इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हुए तो या
मैम अच्छा पढ़ाती है?
हाँ, मैंने 1-2 बार वीडियो देखी हुई है, ठीक है, आज बहुत अच्छा है।
I have also started offline teaching.
Wow. So why is learning English so important?
बिकॉज़
Especially for girls from smaller towns.
लड़कियों को जो विलेज टाउन होते हैं जैसे हम लोग आते हैं कि जैसे आप डेली लोग जैसे आप सब लोग बैठे हैं आप डेली घर में अपने इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं आप कुछ भी चीज़ें हैं आप इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं और जैसे कि हम लोग एक यूपी एंड सीतापुर उसके टाउन में हम लोग मेहमूदाबाद में रहते हैं तो डेली हम लोगों को हिंदी में ही बात करना पड़ता है और करते भी हैं तो इसीलिए मैंने आते ही कह दिया था कि मुझे हिंदी में बात करनी है क्योंकि आई एम प्रेफर टू हिंदी तो इसीलिए मैं
But you feel English is needed to get ahead in life.
बिकॉज़ आप जैसे कि मैं यहाँ आई तो मुझे इंग्लिश में थोड़ा-सा बात करने में दिक्कत होती है क्योंकि मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ ना डेली इसीलिए और आपको बात करना आना चाहिए क्योंकि आप फॉरेन जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर आपको बिज़नेस में आपको पर्सनली इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए। आप किसी भी ऑफ़िस में काम कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पर भी बोलने के लिए आनी चाहिए।
So English is very important. Okay, Prachi, thank you. आ जाओ आप नीचे बैठो and we'll continue our conversation with. अच्छा, so how did you teach yourself English? YouTube videos देख के?
Yes, just by watching YouTube videos. I have learned about YouTube as well as
But your class 12 तक education was in Hindi medium or English medium?
Hindi medium.
So you had studied in Hindi medium till class 12 and then you taught yourself English.
Yes.
And this naam, Dehati Madam, ये इसकी क्या कहानी?
I think it's just a God's blessing. Because of God, He gave me that idea, and I put this name of my channel. And even I never ever asked from anyone about to put my channel's name.
Now tell me, you take your kit everywhere. You just teach online. You also take your camera and your kit, and your husband helps you.
Yes. No.
You do it yourself.
Yes.
Sab
Because my husband, he has his own work to do.
which is what?
He's a farmer first of all.
Is he here?
Yes.
Dehati Madam's husband, where are you, bhai?
Radhe Lodi.
Radhe ji. नमस्कार आइए ना आइए वो माइक लीजिए राधे जी आज थोड़ा ऐसे घूमिए ना आपको ऑडियंस शर्माइए मत आपके वाइफ तो बिल्कुल नहीं शर्मा रही आप ऐसे शर्मा रही है ये क्या बात है ये बताइए आज आप देहाती मैडम के हस्बैंड के नाम से जाने जाते हैं
जी मैम
कैसा लगता है बोलो ना
अच्छा लगता है मैडम
अच्छा लगता है
बहुत अच्छा लगता है
बताओ ना ये जब इन्होंने पहले करना चाहा तो आपने थोड़ा ऑपोजिशन किया कि आपने कहा जो करना करो
नहीं मैम ये पढ़ाई की वीडियो बनाती थी तो मतलब मैं अपना लिए लगी रहती थी तो मैं सोच रहा था ये पढ़ाई वढ़ाई अपना करती है मुझे जानकारी नहीं थी वीडियो बनाती है ठीक है
अच्छा आप छुप के बना रही थी
I was making videos around 2:30 and early in the morning.
so he doesn't find out
Yes.
जी
okay then
तो रात में मतलब सोने वोने में डिस्टर्ब होती था तो मैं सोच रहा था पता नहीं कि रात में क्या किया करती है और मैं थोड़ा सा
Couldn't sleep properly. Even I couldn't sleep properly because of me.
थोड़ा सा मैं गांव से हूँ तो मतलब जैसा ही से मैं हिंदी नहीं बोल पाता हूँ इंग्लिश तो बहुत दूर की बात रही आपसे पता उसके लिए माफी मांगता हूँ आप लोगों से
तो अब आप हस्बैंड से इंग्लिश में बात करती है कि हिंदी में
अपनी मदर टंग
which is
यूपी की लाइक भोजपुरी टाइप.
अच्छा तो फिर आप सोचते थे
देसी
कि
गांव की बात
आप सोचते थे ये रात को क्या करती हैं फिर जब
हाँ।
आपको पता लगा ये क्या कर रही है तो आपने क्या बोला
नहीं फिर मैं भी ये सोचा चलो ठीक है मान लो घर से बाहर तो जाना नहीं वैसे भी इनको मान लो घर में ही काम करना है
और
तो
घर से बाहर जाएं तो
नहीं मैडम बात ये है कि मतलब गांव वाँव में अलाउ नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा
अरे
मानसिक
सर
आती है लेकिन बात ये है कि
आपकी
मतलब
वाइफ
अब
ने क्या से क्या कर दिया आप वही पुरानी बात
बात ये अब गांव में जैसे हम लोग गांव से हैं ठीक है अब जो
Let me explain. The society where the society which I belong from, the area, it's totally rural area, and people, all the villages, they don't allow their wife to go out without your husband. If you have to go anywhere, then you have to go with your husband.
ये तो बहुत annoying चीज है
But it's there, no?
लेकिन
It's really very small. I can't deny this thing, na? And
that's the reality yes
yeah, that's the reality.
okay
And even still, when I was coming here, then my mother-in-law, she was saying that, Miss, वहाँ जा रही हो, you have to put that wheel, okay?
मतलब
घूंघट आपको करना है.
आपको घूंघट पहनना पड़ता है वहाँ पे
ये means she was saying that वहाँ पे बड़े-बड़े लोग होंगे ना, तो वहाँ पे आप
मतलब यहाँ पे
yes here,
but you are not wearing
but no, because I know that, I know the importance.
आप राधे जी अपनी मम्मी को बोलना डांट ना लगाए
जी मैम बोलेंगे जरूर
ओके सो अभी योर वाइफ हैज बिकम मतलब इतना उन्होंने अचीव कर लिया आपने कुछ अंग्रेजी सीखी इनसे कि इंटरेस्ट नहीं है
नहीं इंटरेस्ट नहीं मैम दूसरी बात ये कि मैं ज्यादा मतलब पास में रुक भी नहीं पाता हूँ पूरा दिन मैं अपना काम देखता
आप
हूँ
क्या
और ये
काम करते हैं
रेलवे में थोड़ा मोड़ा काम करते हैं
अच्छा अच्छा सो इक्वल पार्टनरशिप चलता है नाउ
Yes.
टेल मी if you wanted to say one thing to everybody here, all the young girls, what would that be?
I would say in life, everything is possible just because of your passion and your burning desire. And I had that burning desire to help my husband, just to support him.
So you started doing this to help Prachi.
Yes, because especially when it was the time of Corona pandemic. So at that time, my husband, he met with accident, and he was totally bedridden for 6 months. So he was not working, and means even I suffered for five rupees. To be honest, I'm just telling you. That time I got this realization that, and especially this reality that if you don't have money, then you don't have any friends.
If you don't have money, you don't have any friends.
Yes, your friends as well as relatives. Even at that time, my father-in-law, even my family, they also started means criticizing us, both of us, because he was not earning. Then we decided to live in a rental house. Then we moved on in a rental house. And from there, just because he started working with a contractor, and he got this opportunity to us that I bought my first new phone, especially on Diwali. So that was my journey of grooming myself to help my husband. I'm also inspired by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. He has inspired me a lot to start this channel, and then I learned everything. I never ever looked behind.
Wonderful. Now, if you had been able to complete your education, Radhi ji, आप बैठिए ना. अभी आप अपनी वाइफ को कुछ अच्छा सा कह के जाइए ना कुछ. क्या कहना चाहिए? इतना लव मैरिज किया, कुछ लव तो दिखाइए.
नहीं मैम, वो सब अब बात ये है, इतनी लोगों के सामने थोड़ी मतलब अच्छा लगता है। बाकी अच्छा कर रही है
नहीं,
मैम,
पर
बड़ी खुशी होती है।
आप अपनी, are you proud of, मतलब आपको गर्व है?
जी मैम,
कुछ तो
खुशी
बोलिए ना.
महसूस होती है।
इतने लोग देख रहे हैं, कुछ तो बोलिए. कुछ तो
मैम
बोलिए.
इतना बोलेंगे बहुत खुशी महसूस होती है। गांव में घर में मान लो कुछ इज्जत है, मानते हैं लोग अब जब जानने लगे हैं वैसे तो।
Thank you, Radhi ji. Thank you. So we'll take another music break soon, but let's actually get questions for Dehati madam. I'm sure a lot of you have questions. A lot of you want to share your own stories, because this is really a story of dreams, dreams in a way coming true. And I think, as she said, never give up, never think that something is not in your realm. And I just want to open the floor now for anyone who wants to share their story. This is such an inspiring story. I'm seeing a hand somewhere there. Yeah, here, come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come. I got the mic. What would you like to ask?
मैडम, आपने जब अपना काम शुरू किया तो आपको ऐसा कभी भी लगा कि मुझे किसी से पूछने की जरूरत है,
No.
किसी के परमिशन की जरूरत है?
No,
नहीं.
no.
So that much
Never.
confidence you had in yourself.
Yes, I was confident about my decision, that the decision which I have chosen for myself, it's right for me. And that's why I always say this thing to me throughout the day. And even I also prefer this thing to others. Always think about yourself, whether you are able to speak this language or not, that you are the best. Every human being has so many qualities. It's something or the other, but you have to focus on, you have to figure it out. What is there inside you? What is your passion? Since my childhood, I just wanted to be famous, and my dream has come true. Yeah, there's no doubt. Though I have done so many things, I have achieved this much, but still in my village, no one appreciates my work.
No one appreciates.
No one.
ये क्या बात हुई?
No one.
Why does no one appreciate your work?
Because they know only one thing, that she is just wasting time. She doesn't do anything. She
But
doesn't.
you are earning money for your home.
Yeah, there is no doubt. That's why not only my husband, but also my father-in-law, he also supports me. But if I talk about my like nanand, bhabhi, saas, so
The male members are supporting
in my family.
and the females are not supporting.
No.
So do you ever tell them that you are not okay with what they are doing with you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
उनको बोलिए मैडम कि I am not okay with the way you are treating me. कभी आपने बोला?
Actually, ma'am, they just want to work with them. They just want me to being a helping hand for them.
Well,
in
anyway,
fields,
but this is,
everywhere.
we have to understand, thank you ma'am for your question. We have to understand that patriarchy is, if we can have that ting go, stop on this timer, it's really distracting. Whoever's controlling the timer, thank you. We have to understand that that misogyny, patriarchy, feminism are all gender neutral. There are feminist men and there are misogynistic women, because we're all victims and works in progress of our cultural conditioning. Now, we have an award for Dehati madam, but we have a very special guest, and I'm going to keep the mystery going about who's going to come to present that award. And our guest is running a bit late. So Dehati madam ji, I want to ask you, ab aage ka sapna kya hai? And we'll give you an award when our next guest is here. But aage ka sapna kya hai?
Actually, I haven't decided yet, but yeah, next year I would like to start my own spoken institution
Wow.
in village for the builders.
Okay. Okay, Dhyati Madam Ji. I can't call her Yashoda only because I keep calling her Dhyati Madam because that's it. I'm going to request you to take a seat and your award is pending. We'll call you back on stage. Now I want to welcome back. Let's have a big round of applause for Yashoda Lodi. Dhyati Madam back on stage. Yashoda Ji, वापस आइए because it's time for your award. But I know, but before you give your award, you have to announce our next speaker. I'll say it in your कान. फिर आप अनाउंस करेंगे क्योंकि वही आपको अवार्ड देंगे. इंग्लिश में अनाउंस करना पड़ेगा है ना. The next guest is. I don't have to teach you English. You have to teach me English. Nervous मत हो. हाँ बुलाओ ना.
So I would like to have on this stage Mr. Rajkumar Rao.
So, Raj. Can we hear it for Raj?
Thank you so much.
I believe that we are responsible for your being a little late, so sorry for that. हमारी गलती थी. But you missed meeting this incredible woman, so I had to get her back on stage.
Please, हाँ, please
तो
बताइए.
इनकी कहानी ये है that she could not finish education beyond class 12, and then she taught herself English, and she now runs a YouTube channel called Dhyati Madam, and that is why she did your announcement, and she couldn't believe that Rajkumar Rao was actually coming to give her the award before we begin talking to you.
आप पहले क्यों नहीं मिली हमें? मैं जब इस शहर में आया था मुझे इंग्लिश का एक वर्ड नहीं आता था. Why did you meet me
You also
before?
didn't know English.
I had no idea about the language.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I couldn't even say oh my god. मैं बोलता था बाप रे.
Actually, I have also watched your interview with Bare Biceps, Ranveer in Allahabad, yeah. And from where I got to know about where did he learn, how did he learn English?
But you tell him how you learned English first.
हाँ, please आप अपने बारे में बताइए.
8 minutes. I know you already told the audience, but he missed that. ना फटाफट बताइए.
How to learn English?
No,
How did you? Your journey. आपने कैसे 12th के बाद सोचा कि मैं
How did I learn?
हाँ
Yes.
ये शुरू कर दिया.
I learned English from YouTube, just watching YouTube videos.
Just watching YouTube videos.
Yes, yes. I had no one. Yeah, but I used some apps to do the practice.
And she
from
studied
there-
in Hindi medium till class
Yes,
12.
I did my schooling from Hindi medium school as well as after completing my education. Means there was no environment to speak this language. And even the way we were taught in school, it was like conventional, totally
Same.
conventional.
हमारी इंग्लिश भी हिंदी में होती थी.
आपने कैसे सीखा भाई? आपने कैसे सीखा English?
I think she's absolutely right. I think just any language you can learn by practicing it in the environment. And I had nobody growing up in Gurgaon. सारे ऐसे मतलब sorry for my language but पकचोद दोस्त. सब हिंदी वाले देसी लौंडे. So there was no way that I could learn the language. But when I came to Mumbai, I realized it's an English speaking city. Like especially our industry, every interview is in
Yes,
English. So I
yes.
had to pick it up. And thanks to Patra Lekha, she really helped me.
His wife.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
she was thanking her husband and you are thanking your wife?
That's how we'll make a better world.
Wow. Okay, can we please bring out the award for Dhyati Madam from the most appropriate man, what I'm calling this Stree's Choice of the Year. Have you all seen and loved Stree? Okay, may I request Raj to do the honors? ये मैं पकड़ लेती हूँ, आप अपना award लीजिए. Let's hear it.
I would like to say
You want to say something?
Yes. Actually, because of my husband, I'm here in front of sir, in front of this huge public, in front of Barkhadat ma'am. So that's why I would like to receive this award just with my husband.
Okay.
Absolutely.
राधे जी.
Who is the lucky man?
राधे जी है. राधे
राधे जी.
राधे जी और राधे जी बिल्कुल अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते. वो कहते हैं हिंदी भी नहीं बोलता है, अंग्रेजी तो क्या बात है?
हिंदी भी नहीं बोलते, अंग्रेजी भी नहीं बोलते.
इधर आइए ना आप जॉइंटली नहीं राज आप and this is a beautiful moment. It's a lovely moment. Can we have a big round of applause? Thank you. आपको एक बैक स्टेज भी फोटो दिलवाएंगे.